Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. After that, you'll see these following options. So the first one that you can buy BNB is by using your credit card. So how we can do that? Click this option. And right here, we can see the step-by-step process on how we can buy BNB with a credit card or debit card. So the first thing that you want to do is to download Trust Wallet. And then, tap on the buy button. And then after that, use your credit card. Click continue and then complete the payment. And that's it. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.